Hello and welcome to another how-to video for Cm107. In this video you're going to learn how to submit your journal. These journals are weekly assignments from units 1 through 8. Each one of them requires you to reflect on what you're doing during the unit, to write a 150 word or more journal entry, and then submit it to your instructor. Let's go to Unit 1 and then click on the Learning Journal. Each week, Unit 1 through 8, you're going to do that. Click on the Learning Journal in each individual unit. The instructions that you get at this point will tell you exactly what is required for you each week. It will also give you the rubric for the journal and give you the task assignment. So for example, if you were to click on the Learning Journal, here's what you'll see. As a description, first of all, of the journal itself, how it is an informal writing exercise that counts for 10 points in each unit 1 through 8. You're not going to receive extensive feedback on this, nor they'll be graded for grammar, but you want to make sure that they're at least 150 to 250 words. You can write more than that if you want to, but make sure that you focus on the topic. In Unit 1 then, when you're ready to write your first journal, what you want to do is to read the instructions, which ask you to describe in 150 to 200 words or so the most positive experience you have had with writing in the past. This can be an assignment for a class, something you wrote for work, or something you wrote to or for a friend or family member. It can be an essay, it can be an email, it can be a report at work. But tell us about this positive writing experience, and then analyze why this was a positive experience for you and how it might help you to remember this experience as you write for this class. Now, you're going to want to write this journal, think about it, and then submit it to your instructor. And here are the directions for doing that. Click on the directions icon, and what will happen will be the instructions for exactly how to do it. Your instructions ask you to click on the Journal tab at the top of the screen. That would be the top of your course. Then click Add Entry, and what will happen then is you will see a box open for you to give it a title. For example, Unit 1, just simply label it Unit 1 Journal Entry. Then you'll be given space underneath that to type your journal. When you're ready to submit your journal, all you need to do is first of all click on the button that says Share Entry with Instructor, and then click Add Entry to save your work. And that will then send it to your instructor. So you do not need to create a Word document. You do not need to email this to your instructor or send it to through a Dropbox. Let's go through those instructions again real quickly using the classroom itself. I would go up to, after looking at the Unit 1 journal instructions, go up to the journal, click on it, go to the journal button, click on the journal button, then find your name, click on it, and when you're ready, click Add Entry. Then write the name of the journal, Unit 1 Journal Entry. You can add your name if you want to. Then go down to the box here, which allows you then to type your response. This week, Unit 1 is about your most positive writing experience. So write about that and explain exactly how this experience was positive. Click on the button if it's not showing to share entry with instructor, and then click Add Entry right here or here. You can, of course, use the features at the top, like the spell check button, the font color and size buttons if you want to, or just simply submit it as is. Certainly I would spell check first just to make sure that words are clear and correctly spelled. And then click Add Entry and your submission will go to your instructor. I hope this helps.